Everybody, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. What surprise changes occur in the Reef Finance, so let me show you. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, in the notice, the currently live price of Reef Finance in the market is 0.022378 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Reef. Other side, if you look the changes occur in the Reef Finance, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the Reef Finance is positive. Positive changes occur in the Reef Finance. Very good idea for you. Wow, amazing changes of the Reef in the August month. Anyways, let me show you the price chart. Wow, a huge pump occurred by Reef Finance in the August month. I really appreciate Reef Finance for investment. First, guys, the changes of the Reef Finance is positive. Second, the Reef Finance is a low price coin. That's why I recommend for all of you to please invest in Reef Finance. Anyways, guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Reef, good or bad? I hope you are feeling good because the changes is positive, and if the changes is positive, so it's a profit. And if you are getting profit, so absolutely you will be feel very happy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.